Hello and welcome to the Beautiful Things channel. Today you have me in my car. Very quick little video for you today. I happen to be in the vicinity of a large Aldi and a really large Poundland. So I thought I would take you in, have a little snoop around the shelves and see what sort of bargains there are on offer. Today is the 2nd of February and it is the first day of the Aldi Craft event. I don't rate Aldi's craft equipment personally. I don't find it's very good quality and it does tend to fall apart. But it's perfect if you're just getting started out and you can't afford to invest big money into things. However, recently they have become quite known for their fat quarter packs, and I know for a fact that there are going to be some licensed fabrics available in Aldi as of today. So I thought I'd take you in and see what was in there, and I'm also going to take you into the Poundland and see if there's anything that I haven't already shown you before, and if not, then I'm also going to take you around the DIY section, because you might be surprised what things you'll find in the DIY section that are actually useful for other things in your craft room. So here we are in Aldi. This is the big amazing special buy posters, and it tells you what's going to be available in their big craft event from today. So you can see there's lots of different yarns. There's these amazing totes on wheels, boxes to store all your bits in, more yarn, and then of course our licensed fabric, which is the stuff that most people are excited about. Coming in, you can see they've got this super chunky yarn, which is really nice. It's really soft and good quality, $3.99 a ball. I think it'd be great if you wanted to make a big hat or a super chunky cow. Then you've got these lovely needle felting kits, little leopards, and I also noticed flamingos, which I thought were really quite cute. Then there's these sets. I'm always dubious about sets. They seem to include the possibility to make endless things. The crochet one here, for instance, there's loads of pictures on the front, including these cute little cacti and donuts, but inside is just a little book and the yarn required to make them. So unless you can already crochet, you are straight away setting yourself up to fail with a kit like this, if you ask me. Then the fat quarters. Now there were some really lovely packs that you could choose from, just pretty flowery ones. I bought this one. I really liked it. I thought it was really cute. And then the licensed ones. So you've got Peter Rabbit here. I think they're quite good value for $4.99. They are good quality cotton. They're not really rubbishy. And that goes for something, because I don't tend to say that very often. There's Peppa Pig, which I thought was quite cute. I didn't buy these. I haven't got anyone that I could make anything for with Peppa Pig, but they were really sweet. The ones that I'm going to really enjoy using are these Tinkerbell ones, and I did buy these ones as well. I thought they were lovely, just really pretty and pastel and girly. And then I know the ones that are going to be most popular are going to be these Mary Poppins ones. They've kind of got a bit of a shabby chic feel to them, which I thought was really nice. These ones were quite pretty as well. I'm regretting not buying these now that I'm going back through my video. They're really cute. Then there's lots more yarn. Aldi's very well known for its yarn with its craft events. You can buy big packs, so there's enough to make cardigans. But they've also got these huge big balls of Aran, which again, if you were making a sweater, you could have a really good value project. The DK is really nice quality. It's very soft and nice to use as well. Now I noticed this time they've got these big Mandala Cakes, which are really popular. They make for really good cows and jumpers, and the nice thing is that only $3.99 each. They do come with a pattern that's in the ball band to teach you how to make something. Obviously there is some kind of knowledge required, so you do need to know how to knit or crochet first. I also noticed these plastic baskets, which I thought were quite handy if you are reorganising your craft room. Perfect to store all those fat quarters in. And something that often goes in this is printed tea towels. These are really nice quality and they would make great tote bags or project bags if you wanted to sew them up. The last thing I saw in there were these heavy duty oven liners, which I have mentioned before. These are great to work on at your craft table. So here's my purchases: 3 packs of fat quarters, a bag of makeup bags and some of Aldi's own tonic water, that's replica Fever Tree. So onto the pound shop, and the first thing I noticed was this amazing glitter duct tape. I mean, who doesn't want bright pink sparkly glitter duct tape? Never seen that before in there, so that went straight into my basket. Then I also bought some of their extra wide masking tape. If you own a Cricut, this is brilliant for transferring your vinyl onto mugs and glasses. It's a much cheaper alternative to Cricut transfer tape, and I absolutely love it. The other thing that I purchased was a pack of PVC tape. This is kind of like electrical tape, and again, if you own a Cricut, this is great. If you've got glitter vinyl that's constantly curling up on your mats, you can tape it down with the PVC tape and cut out, and it works brilliantly. Something that I've only noticed fairly recently in the pound shop are these tight spot tweezers. Again, all four for £1, believe it or not. These are brilliant if you've got an overlocker and you really struggle to thread it. Alternatively, again, if you have a Cricut and need to weed pesky bits of vinyl, these tweezers are great. Also in the DIY department are these little toolboxes. They're really not the most fantastic of quality, but they are really good for storing bits and pieces away, and for £1 you can't really go wrong. They've also got these great little compartment boxes. If you're a beader or you've got lots of little pesky buttons and bits and bobs, they're a great way of organising your stash and storing it away for a very low cost. I also noticed these hobby knife kits, which I thought were quite good. They're probably not that sharp, they probably don't last for that long, but again, for £1, you've got 2 tools here that you can add different blades to. These were also something I haven't noticed before, long 60cm metal rulers. I think they could be really useful in your craft room. Spray adhesive is always a good thing. And lastly, they're vinyl. So I wasn't that impressed with the patterns and designs that they had today. Sometimes they're better than others, but it is a good place to look for fun vinyl. Lastly, the Valentine's section. These bags had Cricut all over them. They could be personalised brilliantly. And then I noticed these wash bags. They were lovely quality, kind of padded and with a big bottom, and I think they'd make it a great project bag. So I do hope you enjoyed that video. I obviously purchased a few bits and pieces, as you can see, and hopefully I've given you a bit of food for thought as to what you may be able to use next time you're in your local pound shop. Do leave me a comment down below. Please remember to like the video. Every like counts, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please do, because I do upload content on average 3 times a week, and there's lots of videos that are useful to you if you are crafty or enjoy organising or sorting out. I will see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.